Most people start their day with coffee, but the problem is home coffee machines rarely deliver the taste, control, or flexibility we expect. The coffee comes out too weak, too bitter, or completely different from what we wanted. And buying cafe coffee every day is expensive and inconsistent. That's where the HiBREW H1B 6 in one capsule coffee machine changes the experience completely. The H1B is built with a 20-bar high-pressure extraction system, which is the key to real espresso flavor. This pressure pulls out rich aroma, full body, and smooth crema, just like professional cafe machines. Whether you enjoy strong espresso shots or smooth milk-based drinks, the extraction remains balanced and flavorful every time. One of the biggest advantages of the HiBREW H1B is its hot and cold brew capability. With a single button, you can switch between hot extraction for bold, warming coffee and cold extraction for smooth, refreshing iced drinks. Cold coffee stays clean and flavorful without tasting watered down, making it perfect for summer or any time you want a chilled brew. The machine also gives you complete control over your cup. It features 7-step water volume adjustment, allowing precise control from 20 milliliters up to 240 milliliters. Whether you want a short espresso, a long coffee, or a full mug, you can set the exact amount every time. Along with that, the programmable temperature control from 80 degrees Celsius to 95 degrees Celsius lets you fine-tune flavor. Lower temperatures for smoother drinks and higher temperatures for bold, intense espresso. Smart engineering makes daily use simple and safe. The electromagnetic pressure relief system automatically releases pressure after brewing, preventing stuck handles or messy splashes. The solid metal handle adds durability and a premium feel, while the 100mm mug clearance fits standard cups and mugs comfortably, reducing spills and making everyday use effortless. What truly sets the HiBREW H1B apart is its 6-in-1 compatibility. It works with DG capsules, Nespresso-style capsules, K-cups, ESE pods, ground coffee, and even loose tea. From cappuccino and espresso intenso to a smooth cup of tea, one machine adapts to every preference and every moment. The HiBREW H1B isn't just a coffee machine. It's a smarter way to enjoy coffee at home. With barista-level control, multi-capsule freedom, and hot and cold versatility, it turns everyday coffee into a personalized experience you'll actually look forward to.